Hi guys, I want to introduce you to a new series that we're doing for women's self-defense.
So welcome to No More Fear. I am your host, Dawn Arthur. I am a student of Adam Williss at the Dragon Institute here in beautiful Dana Point, California. I'm also a retired deputy sheriff of 27 years. And I'm also very passionate about helping women become more self-confident and helping them with tips on feeling more self-empowered. Today I would like to talk about intuition. Intuition, defined in the dictionary, is the ability to understand something immediately without the need for conscious reasoning. Animals have instinct. We as humans are animals, but we have instinct and conscious reasoning. So to say, we mostly work off reasoning and our conscious mind. Animals work off instinct only. Today's world, we are bombarded with technology, and we are constantly on our phones, constantly on our computers, searching for immediate answers. And we tend to forget to use our intuition or our instincts. We are born with intuition. It is there for a reason. It is there to keep us safe. And I'm here to tell you that it is a muscle, and we need to constantly use it to keep it strong, to keep it there for us. It is something that guides us to keep us safe. Examples: mothers. You use your intuition constantly. You use it with your children. You're in the house, children are playing upstairs, all of a sudden it's quiet and you think, hey, what's going on up there? You have a gut feeling, you know, they're up to something. Or say you're out and the children are home or they're at school somewhere else and you just get a feeling and you know something's wrong. And you call home or you check in and somebody's fallen, skinned their knee, or something's happened because you have that gut feeling and you just know. That's your intuition, your gut feeling. And in today's world, we're so busy getting that immediate information or always on our phone, we forget to use this. We forget to use our intuition, and it's there to keep us safe. Another example, we're driving and we're not quite sure where to go. Our first immediate thought is turn right. And then we're like, oh, I'm not sure, and we turn left. And then come to find out that right was the appropriate way to go. And it's that first gut instinct that is the one that drives us, the one that we need to learn to use. Another example is you walk into a room and you have that thought like, this doesn't feel right, it's uncomfortable, and you're not sure why, and you start using that reasoning, oh, no, I'm just being dumb, there's no reason for me to feel that way, and then come to find out that there's an argument brewing or there's a fight going on and you were right. And you should have left or backed off. That's that gut instinct. I use it as a cop all the time. Now, my partners might not want to use that word intuition. They might just say I had a feeling, but I used it. I knew when a person I was encountering was going to get ready to fight, or was going to get ready to flee, or maybe was going to get ready to go crazy on me. I use it in my life daily. An example, I pulled up to a market, a store, and they had things for sale outside the store. And a car pulled up parallel to all the cars parked, and for some reason I thought, I should take a picture of that car license plate. Now, I'm not a deputy anymore, and of course, I wasn't using my instinct, and my reasoning went, well, that's stupid, why would I do that? And again, my gut said, take a picture of that license plate. And I didn't listen, and I got out of my car, and that car that parked parallel, the people jumped out, grabbed all the stuff out in front of the store, jumped back in their car and took off. My gut instinct, if had I listened, I would have had a picture of that license plate to report to the police that they just stole all those items. So it's there for a reason. It's there to tell us to keep safe. For me, that was my cop instinct, but it's there to tell you to be safe, to let you know something's going on. Women, when you're dating, when you're meeting men, sometimes the guy seems perfectly nice. He's saying all the right things. He's doing all the right things, but you might feel something's off. It just doesn't feel right. You feel kind of uncomfortable around him, but you can't quite pin it down, so you make excuses, and you say you're just being silly. But it still doesn't feel right, and you don't act on it. Well, that nagging feeling is there for a reason, ladies. And it's okay to act on it. It's okay to work on that gut instinct. We're animals. It's there for you. It's there to help keep you safe. That's why we're born with it. That's why it's with us. You can work it with your reasoning to help keep you safe. So let's work that muscle. Let's keep it strong. I'm here for you. I'm here to answer your questions. And until next time, let's be safe. No more fear. Thank you.
Here at the Dragon Institute, we specialize in a martial art of close quarters self-defense called Wing Chun. Wing Chun, in its legendary history, was created by a woman for a girl that was trying to handle bullies, men that were bigger, stronger. And these are some of the concepts that we integrate into our self-defense program specifically for women. We have Wing Chun classes, but we also have women's self-defense workshops. We also offer women's self-defense programs online in order to help everyone, as many as we can across the world, empower them with these simple principles that can very well save their lives.